never finish.
Where man I come from?
You never finish.
Life where hard man I come from. But someone know you can do it too. If you get your yacht, hungry days someone I come from. But still
that
man
word,
rise from the dungeon.
Unscrupulous.
Someone know you can do it too.
Tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them. Yeah, I'm a billboard.
But yeah, them seem cool. Them annoying. Like that's why I can't understand how a man would want to deal with two women. Like me when me younger, me used to say, yo, one would have two
We're
women.
supposed to annoy in our
Imagine
DNA. It's in our DNA. We're supposed to annoy. Go ahead.
Imagine you're in one space, right? And did me I deal with this from 2013. She asked one question.
Long-term relationship from 2013.
Right. She asked one question, right? And as me go for answer for your question, she asked another question. So then me comes to woman answer for your question. But the question was she asked another answer that she want you to fear her question. So she start us. And then when me try to explain myself to she go jump in and ask another question. And that's why I could have never want to two women. You're mad.
So guys,
I'm glad, hold on. I am glad that we have that influence on him, so you know one day we know two women. You must be faithful.
Quality.
Yeah, but the woman
So
is
tell your
still
girlfriend
warm,
to thank you.
Hi, pretty girl.
Thank you.
Yeah.
She's so pretty.
Are you a sexual man?
Huh?
Exactly.
Anyways, guys, I'm just so grateful. If you don't know me, I was not this bold. I was not this maybe confident and stuff like that. But like a few friendships that mama have, like me cling to them.
And you see the thing is, them.
I'm just so happy about the growth, and I just
see
stick
the
to
thing
the
is,
friends.
at one point,
I'm talking peace.
because of my turn and you keep interrupting.
Alright, I feel third.
At one point, you know, yo, remember like when we start to come say, and like I always try to link with them and say, yo, you know, I could do this and I could do that. Them ever busy. We're not going to school no more, you know, but they're still ever busy.
That's true, and we acknowledged it, and we
so
said
we can't
that.
put it in the vlog.
Eh?
So when I talk,
No, but
again, when I talk,
say,
I get interrupted. But
we know this is true, and the day when
you realized everything.
The day when we realized that he was leaving, or no, not the day, but when we realized that he was leaving, we had so many regrets, and this is why we are trying to make up for it. Go ahead.
Again,
guys, one more minute. There's a vlog when he's leaving. I'm gonna link it below. You can check it out. It was a very emotional vlog for me. I tell you, say, shape me up wicked. People that cuss me over and say, oh, come this is emotional over it.
We're sorry. When you there go along with the thing and I interrupt, go ahead.
As me I say, yes, you notice everything what me I say. They're saying it's true. It's true.
It's not everything, Jermaine.
Again, being interrupted.
It's not everything. It's not everything. So I'm just so grateful about this.
Again, I'm here talking.
Can you pause? Me not hear nobody talk. You hear somebody?
Ladies and gentlemen, how I am and how I grew up. You see somebody else speak.
You're too full of manners. They go like you're full of manners and more than anybody else.
But that's just so instilling and I can't help it. If someone else is talking, me shut up and make them finish. See?
No, that's because you're in their feelings. I joke. That's a joke.
Anyway, we go for sell Skylife. Right?
No, you never finish.
Yo, if you go finish.
You never finish, Jeremy. Jeremy, you never finish. You never finish. And I say how much when you used to link with and we used to say we not having time.
And like big man thing, you know, I actually say, yo, I understand, say, yo, everybody have their own individual life. But if you think if you have a link or a connection with somebody, and if the connection, if in yourself, you know, so the connection, you make time for them no matter what. And this is honest truth. Zane, cause if the roles did reverse, one would have looked at me like some fussy. Yeah, so big up on yourself, Skylife.
But I think we have grown and we understand each other to a level now where if something wrong we can point out it without even really saying a lot. And you don't find real friendships among young people like this in this time. So that's why I value my few friendships that Mama have now, and I'm so grateful, and that's why we're here to visit.
And Mara.
He too miserable.
Mara, you see if them wrong. You see if them wrong. Like me quick with me tell them be like, yo, that you do. You see me I say?
That's true, man.
You get me I say? Cause you have some people them you love use words as unscrupulous. Them don't know how strong how strong that word is. Can I talk? I not even have to tell them how love you. Like that word is strong. You could have said, yo, that's silly or that's not called for, but unscrupulous is a very strong word. I'm gonna say like, yo, Oh, you asked me if you have a buckle of water. Me not bring it. Me not bring it. Do buckle of water.
Jeremy
That is very unscrupulous. Like, how is that unscrupulous if me not carry a buckle of water?
Who to the unscrupulous people, yeah, man? That's her word.
Guys, tell me if I need to do some shirts with unscrupulous on it. I don't think that good fit upon your shirt to yourself.
You can't do that.
No.
You can't. Well,
that wouldn't be a good idea.
You have to like what?
Word
License
different.
it or something like that before you can do that.
No, unscrupulous
Just
is a word in the
homeboy
dictionary.
used to say thing and thing, and they want to make it in our shirt, but the word TING copyrighted by.
Oh yeah, I would have to research and stuff. Yeah. But yeah, guys, we don't want the video to be too long, so we're gonna end it here. Continue with the vlogs. We have a lot of vlogs coming. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Oh, I forgot to tell you, my peoples, they're entrepreneurs, my niggas. You know, and they push you to that like, you know, in that area.
Oh, but we not reach them level yet. We are making a know. We not reach our level yet.
But for yes, like I work super hard.
I mean, we
you know?
like we have a little here and there, but she got multiples, my nigga.
No, Jeremy, guys, I try a lot of things to see what sticks.
Yo, look at the glasses. Yo, look at the glasses. Yo, who you know have an handbag with gold bag?
Listen, Ocean has a store. You can follow her on Instagram. Tell them your store, Ocean.
You can follow me at OD's Boutique. JA, that's O apostrophe DEES BO. Or boutique spell.
BOUTIQUE.
However, boutique spell. People are bright, you know.
I'm gonna link it in the description box below so you can go over to our store.
Anyway, you don't know.
But people, I'm trying this vlog life. I'm not used to this. Melica been telling me to try this thing out, and me not tell no lie, me kinda like it. And I see a lot of Jamaicans doing it too. Like I didn't know that this was a thing in Jamaica. I thought it was just.
My thing is
it's
cool
growing
to
in
do
Jamaica.
every now and then.
So I think I'm going to try it. But
I'll never just get up every day and I document my life.
Yeah,
I don't really think my life that interesting. I'm just saying.
Like guys, what you think?
I mean, my work at work is very interesting. Can be a drama today.
Oh, I mean, a man, me not love. Like you see how I work on the phone also. Me not like do that. You see me? And then some people, sometimes some people get famous, you know, so tell our people come from across another side of the world. Them see and I'll be like, oh my God, can I take a picture with you?
Yeah, with she.
But guys, that goes to show that like when you're building a brand and you're trying to be consistent, don't matter how much you speed in terms of the speed of the growth, but try to be consistent with your brand and people will start picking you out of the crowd and say, oh yeah, a lot of time people say MELICASKYLIFE, that, you know, because of the work that I've been putting in over the past few years. So, you know, I'm just so grateful and thankful and beating. Jesus.
Relax.
Go ahead, dog, please.
Yeah. And big up.
Yeah.
Yo, see, yo, I don't know why them afraid that.
Oh, big fucking dog. Jesus Christ.
Huh? She's afraid of the dog.
No, make sure you use somebody else.
Anyway.
So guys, we're gonna end this clip here how we met and our history.
Guys, one me speak on German, me speak on Melica. I've watched.
Disgusting.
Really, Jeremy? I've watched her grown into or blossom into this very bold person, as she said. She always have a nice speaking voice that me can say, because when we used to do presentations and so, she always speak well. That me love about her. But you know, she really grew from when you do vlog, when you started the vlog.
Like 2 years ago.
From 2, but she really grew. Me not tell no lie. And the things that she do and how she promote her product and all these things and where she's coming from as well in terms of health wise and her figure and all of them. So she worked very hard, very hard. And
overall appearance.
Yeah, I'm very proud of her. Proud of my two friends them. Proud of one. Proud of myself too, because I kind of grow a little bit and Melica kind of have an influence on me as well as Jeremy, but I feel left out. So yeah, these are the type of people you should keep around you, because if you have friends, right, people say me change, you know, but you are supposed to change. You're supposed to change. You can't stay at one level forever, right? You're supposed to have a purpose. I can't just dead it. So you get what I say? So people say me change, and it's It's
Change
not
is good.
really true,
She actually
but
changed a
I've
lot.
grown, I've matured. Certain things I'm used to do before, me not do it anymore, and whatever.
And there's a lot of things she used to do before she meet me that she could have never do again. You're mad. You must be mad.
Like what Jeremy, that's why I give people them
Anyway, so
ideas. But I am saying,
outside, take it back. All right, take it back. Anyway,
I am saying that these are the type
Can
of
I
persons you should keep. You should keep
pull
as
again.
friends, right? People will inspire you and stuff
that
like
means
that. People
someone
can
wanna
motivate you
come and try to be
and
my
stuff
friend,
like
yeah.
that. People when I try to tear you down when you do good and stuff like that. People will clap for you when they say you win. You get what I say? People will happy for you.
my favorite phrase that.
What? Clap for you when you win.
That's what you always say.
Oh, yeah, so you can't have people around you with bad mind. You. None of
You
my
can
friends,
pick up
none
the
of them
spirit
no
then.
bad mind me, and me no bad mind none of them. I'm happy for them, happy for them. The amount of sales Melica get me, and Jeremy, no enough, but Jeremy get me sales too. But if he was in Jamaica, I know it would have different, because I know he would have got
Alright,
to him
so-
people, them kind of know a lot of people, and so, but
Let me tell you this.
they are very
I said the thing is,
supportive, and that me
I
love
said the
about
thing
them.
is, me I go push you. You see, like if me not push certain things, I can't me not know about it. I like me here with
I
our
don't lie.
boutique. Like I
I don't lie because
me be
you
honest.
remember say you did go up on IG, you know, and show me how to share the thing, and I'm not so,
And he
not so
always put up
social
his
media
stuff
savvy,
when
you
you
know.
put it,
Yeah,
and
cause-
if you put out something, you
he
have to
show
tell
me
your
how
friends
to
if
do
you
it
put
and
up
he
it.
post it on his page,
Yeah.
and when he post it on his page, me start get a lot of people over upon my page and stuff like that. As I said, them very, very supportive, and them a type of friend that you need in your life. You don't need nobody for drain you, nobody with them drama, bag of chatting behind your back and all of them stuff.
And you pick up people's spirit too. Like, you pick up people's spirit or they inspire.
to take over a vlog.
I'm so proud of her. She's a vlogger, you know? She's such a natural. Let me a black.
Yeah, good, real good people. Real
Yeah,
good,
like always
nice
try
friends.
their own people who are like, they can be a little bit ahead of you as your friends, so they force you to try to keep up with them. You know? You and your friend them, if you have 5 bros. Yeah,
Alright, sorry people, say me I look over me
if
think
you
my
have 5
really
broke friend, guarantee, and you know, when you sit down there and do the same thing them over and over again, chances are you're gonna be the 6th one. You know, there's something in life. I can't manage it.
Yes.
So that's why I'm having friends who have
Sorry,
amazing.
people. Sometimes, and this is one of the reasons I think I couldn't do this whole vlog thing. Like, I get bored easily. You know what I'm saying? So like, and that's why I may do different business, but only do one certain thing. One thing I do. I'm not gonna say it, cause I'm not broadcast it like that. Like I just if
If it does start over?
No.
It's
I just like if I meet you.
Why there 27
I'm gonna
minutes?
tell you about if you want to do it, you
Yeah,
do it.
'cause
But
at
I'm
the
not gonna
time-
be the one for just
At
put it
27
out
minutes
there.
later when there's
Then,
about
cause I
over.
don't want to do that full time, cause I get myself I get bored very easily. You see me?
But at least you're doing stuff, Jeremy. You can always change.
Yes.
Oh, and before we end this vlog again, me want to say this stuff.
You love Jeremy?
No. But Jeremy has been here for how long?
3 years.
3 years, right?
August
And
coming, 3 years.
yeah, August coming makes 3 years. And can you imagine him get two awards so far and
Multiple
others,
awards.
among other stuff?
You never
Yeah.
have a fool.
But-
Yeah.
Oh,
you
I'm
might
sorry,
crush
you
it.
can take that out. You don't want it?
No, you're good.
Oh, right. But what may I try to say, a lot of persons,
crush the
a lot of
American
persons left Jamaica and come abroad and nah do shit. And Mr. Jeremy achieve a lot of stuff. Enough people couldn't come up here and do what Jeremy do. So I must say I am proud of
Proud of
him
you,
once
Jeremy.
more, and just keep up the good work.
Keep it up, my nigga. I'm proud of
Call
you.
them mama cook when they go.
Anyways, Melica, end it off.
Don't matter when the hey guys no. Alright guys.
So Skylifers, this is where we end this.
Yo, anytime
How
she
we met?
call no guys again pan it. Anytime she call no guys again pan it on a comment down no, not dislike her video. Just put a comment down below of course. Yeah.
So this is where we're gonna end the tag, how we met tag. Thank you for stopping by. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button.
Oh,
And definitely show the love.
make sure you say create on a YouTube account man and subscribe to the page. Cause no phone on just watch it on and not subscribe to our page.
Sorry.
Come on, man. Yeah. It just takes an email address.
No, like a key thing to note, once you have a Gmail address, you have a YouTube channel.
There
You
you
just
go.
need to log in.
There you go.
And then you just give the video a thumbs up,
See what I'm
because
saying?
as YouTubers we have access to certain statistics that tells us that you're watching the videos but you're
Yeah.
not subscribed. So you know,
And
subscription.
I have my YouTube channel too. I do gaming on it, but it's been there for like 4 years now. I'm not uploading. Yeah. Again, I'm bored. I don't even play video games anymore.
Maybe they flash because they reach one additional.
Why you not do it with somebody? That makes them I don't know, like them do it with somebody else online.
So guys, this is where we end the vlog. I follow them, I chat till the night come down and jump off and see.
We are going to go.
So,
Later.